Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download songs in Spotify without premium. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, first open the Spotify app. Now go over to your library and then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner in order to create a playlist. Now choose a name for your playlist and then tap on create. After that, tap on add to this playlist. And now add some songs to your playlist. Go back to your playlist. Now tap on the download pointing arrow on your left screen. You need to have a premium version to download songs on Spotify. If you want to get 3 months of Spotify Premium, just go back and open your browser. And now search free Spotify Premium. Tap on the first link as shown here. If you haven't tried Spotify Premium before, you can come here and download and listen to as many songs as you like without paying anything. So that wraps up this tutorial.